Lately, more and more homeowners are finding when it comes to insurance claims, carriers are clamping down on how much you get. And that can be frustrating when you paid premiums month after month for years. I'm 7 News consumer anchor Diane Lee with a look at how to maximize your claim. A few seconds of bad weather can leave an entire neighborhood echoing with the sounds of construction. And who pays what for all that damage depends on home insurance. Susan McGee's house caught fire a decade ago, and she wishes she knew then what she knows now.
I discovered we left $40,000 to $60,000 on the table. You want to know why? Because they didn't tell us that they owed it to us, and we didn't know to ask for it.
McGee says the stress of loss came rushing back years after the fire while she was studying insurance language for a new career.
The insurance carrier never told us that they owed us to paint the house, so we painted it ourselves. They never told us that we had other, what they call subsections in our policy for debris removal, for ordinance and law, for many different things that they didn't tell us that they owed us money for.
A study by a government agency in Florida found on average homeowners who file claims with no help get less than 14 cents on the dollar. Emil Wolfart with Noble Public Adjuster makes a living helping homeowners get better outcomes on insurance claims. How much can you save the average homeowner?
When a public adjuster gets involved, on average, the claim increases by 747%.
And how are you able to achieve that?
First thing we do is we make sure we have a complete estimate. Then next to that we put, all right, here's what we're asking for, and Mr. Insurance Company, here's why we're asking for it. So we've got state statutes, building codes, manufacturer requirements, here's case law history, here's what the courts have determined, here's expert opinions.
Still, public adjusters come at their own cost, 20% of any overage they get you beyond your initial claim offer. It's an increasingly popular option as insurance companies tighten their belts. Jake McCown with Advisors Insurance Agency in Greenville says over the last few years, the insurance industry has faced significant losses.
What they've done when they've lost money is they have two levers to pull. The first lever they pull is they charge people more for insurance. The second lever they pull is they get really picky about eligibility. Things that they used to maybe have looser guidelines for resolving claims, now they're much tighter.
McGee warns homeowners who don't know insurance lingo are at a disadvantage.
When you're dealing with your insurance company, be careful. They are going to bait you into questions that can allow them to say no. Like one of their most famous ones is, was it wind-driven rain? And most people are very helpful and they're going to say, yes, the wind was driving the rain into my house. That's not covered.
What is covered is the term storm-created opening. Be forewarned, if your home is damaged, you have to fill out what's called a proof of loss. Often the insurance company will create that for you with their numbers and ask you to sign it. Instead, read your policy, get your own quotes, and reserve the right to supplement that legal notice if additional costs arise. Wolfart adds, don't mention mold, which has coverage limits because it may only be moisture problems and you're not an expert. Plus,
once you sign a final release, you cannot get any more money from them. So never sign a final release.
After losing everything, McGee became a public adjuster herself, now fighting to make sure no one else gets burned.
It made me angry, it made me furious, and it just catapulted me forward to make sure that all of the people I was working with got every single penny that they were owed.
Now, one more nugget of advice. Every year, and especially before a major storm system is headed our way, you'd be wise to take exterior and interior photos of your home to document its condition and your possessions inside. For links to the resources we mentioned, look for this story on my Here to Help page at WSPA.com/consumer.